Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Decentraland price prediction and Decentraland news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Decentraland in 2022. Decentraland, Mana, defines itself as a virtual reality platform based on the Ethereum blockchain that allows users to create, serve and monetize content and applications. In this virtual reality, users buy land that they can later navigate, build on, and monetize. Decentraland was launched following a $24 million initial coin offering, ICO, that took place in 2017. Virtual World launched its closed beta in 2019 and opened to the public in February 2020. Since then, users have created a wide range of experiences on their land sites, including interactive games, extensive 3D scenes, and many other interactive experiences. Decentraland was created by Ariel Milik and Esteban Ordano, who have retired from their core roles on the project, but are still working with Decentraland as advisors. Today we will tell you important news about the Decentraland cryptocurrency. Decentraland, Mana, price prediction. Mana prepares for 30% jump as sales above 200 DAI. On the daily chart, Decentraland, Mana, initiated its downtrend since attaining its record highs on November 25th. The downswing proved to be devastating for the metaverse coin, as it scaled down nearly 71% in January. Before surging 85%, it gravitated toward its 3-month low on January 24th, while the buyers stepped in to defend the $1.70 level. From here on, bulls are in the process of taking control of the price action, as they seem keen on maintaining the mark. Now, a daily close above the $2.75 mark would position Mana for a possible retest of the $3.53 zone and traverse back into its earlier trend. This would consist of an ascent of 30% from the current levels. Looking at another possibility, Mana is still remain pressured below the 50-day exponential moving average, EMA, at $2.85. A spike in sell order could propel price to break another crucial moving average placed at $2.40. The first downside target could be found at $2.20, followed by the lows of January 24 at $1.80. Technical indicators. RSI. The Daily Relative Strength Index, RSI, has shown recovery from 34 to 46 since February 21. Any uptick in the indicator will make bulls hopeful for further recovery. MACD. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD, hovers below the midline with a neutral bias. So next news. Wait for a discount or confirmed rally before buying. To-do list for Mana investors. The largest metaverse token by market capitalization, Decentraland had an outstanding performance in October. Since then, even though the prices have declined, there was some evidence of slow but steady buying in the market. Long-term investors would need a lot of patience in the weeks to come. There are areas where buying the token makes logical sense. At the same time, it was unclear whether Mana would drop to these levels. At the time of writing, the market was in a downtrend, meaning both Decentraland as well as Bitcoin. A set of Fibonacci levels, yellow, were plotted based on Mana's meteoric rise from 61 cents to $4.94 in late September and October of 2021. In mid-November, Mana was able to climb back above $5 and nearly pushed as high as the 27.2% extension level before facing selling pressure. For long-time horizon investors, the area between the 61.8% retracement and the 78.6% retracement level is generally an area where investors like to dollar-cost average, DCA, into their buys. The market structure for Mana has been bearish. The bulls tried to flip the bias in their favor earlier in February, but failed. Therefore, two scenarios are of interest to long-term buyers. Either they can wait for the price to dip into the aforementioned pocket to DCA into spot buys, or they can wait for a flip in market structure to ride to momentum upward. This would require Mana to flip $3.5 to support. On the RSI, the 40 and 60 levels demarcate areas below and above them respectively, where the momentum can be thought to have strengthened in that direction. At the time of writing, the RSI was at 45.23, which was almost neutral. Also notable was its inability to stay above the 60 mark for a significant amount of time since December. The awesome oscillator sank back beneath the zero line, which reflected the bearish momentum since the rejection at $3.29. The price was also trading beneath the 21 SMA and 55 SMA, orange and green respectively. The OBV has been forming higher lows in the past couple of months, which suggested that long-term buyers were indeed present in the background of the daily volatility. Decentraland price today. Mana price hints a 23% growth potential above $2.8 mark. On February 16, Decentraland, Mana price failed its second attempt to breach the high swing resistance of $3.42. The following reversal slumped the coin by 29.5%, dropping to the $2.45 support. Moreover, the technical chart displayed a double top pattern and a breached breakout from the 28 cents neckline, accelerating the ongoing selling. With a successful retest to the breach support, the sellers headed to their next target of $2.45. However, the long-tail rejection on February 24 indicates the bulls mount strong support at this level. The relative strength INDEX 46 slope approaches the neutral line from below. A bullish crossover above the 14 small line and midline would provide additional confirmation for long traders. The mono price is resonating between the 50 and 200-day SMA. A breakout from either of these levels would offer an extra edge for the following trend. Today, the mono price is green and shows a 9.87% from the base support. The coin chart shows the buyers also provides a bullish breakout from the descending resistance trendline. A retest of this trendline should confirm the sufficient demand and bolster the buyers to break out the $2.8. How much will Decentraland cost in 2025, or how much will Decentraland cost in 10 years? Guessing price fluctuations and predicting future prices is a hell of a task. Decentraland Price Prediction 2022. It appears that by 2022, Decentraland, Mana, prices will hit a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2022, we can expect the average rate to be $3.70. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Decentraland's maximum price could be up to $4.21 in 2022. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Decentraland Course Forecast 2023. Mana has great potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Decentraland, the price could rise much higher. By 2023, it may reach a maximum value of $6.18. Mana is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2023 could end with an average price of $5.37, a minimum price of $5.19, and a maximum price of $6.18. Decentraland Course Prediction 2024. In 2024, with wider adoption and partnerships between other important blockchain networks, Decentraland price will skyrocket. The maximum trading price could reach $9.01 in 2024. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $8.04 with a maximum price of $9.01 for 2024. Price Mana Forecast 2025. For a long-term forecast of the Decentraland price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There's a possibility that the average price of Mana will rise to around $11.46 by 2025 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2025, the year could end with a maximum price of $13.49 with a minimum price. Level $11.13. Mana Rate Prediction 2026. Mana will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Decentraland rate will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2026, the Decentraland rate will be almost $16.85. The maximum bet we can get is $20.02. Decentraland average price prediction for the end of 2026 could be around $17.30. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Mana Price Prediction 2027. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Decentraland will remain at its current level for a very long time. By 2027, Mana is expected to peak at $29.37. The minimum bid could rise to $24.21 if the market turns bullish.